Hi, this is Joe from Practical Tech and Gear Views. Pag-usapan natin itong portable wireless charging docking station from Bavin. The model is PC1069. This is not a sponsored video. Tatlong rason bakit ito ang napili kong charging station both sa aking desktop at sa aking mga biyahe. Unang rason, hindi siya ganun kamahal. Around 1,700 pesos lang ito. Pangalawa, it can charge 6 devices ng sabay-sabay. Bira akong makita ng ganyan. At pangatlo, makikita nyo, madali siyang itupi, snug and fit, very flat, napakadaling ibiyahe kahit saan. Hindi ka mahihirapan. For size comparison, we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max as your point of reference. Hindi nagkakalayo yung kapal. Dito sa side na ito, mas mataas ng konti si iPhone 15 Pro Max. Pero sa kabilang side, magkasing tangkad lang sila. Sa kapal, mas makapal ng konti yung charging station. But basically, this is a very compact charging station. Parang may dala ka lang na mobile phone. Pwede mo na itong isama kahit saan. Unlike the other charging stations, diba? Very bulky. Maraming unnecessary angles, ang hirap bitbitin. Ganito naman siya pag dineploy. Very versatile nung pagkakadesign dahil from very flat device, you can now use this as your charging station. Ganyan siya pag nilagyan na ng iPhone sa main device. Adjustable yung provision for the Apple Watch. The same thing with the charging area for the iPhone. No? Very versatile. Kahit anong angulo, makakapili ka. Depende sa needs mo. Ang isang drawback lang na napansin ko dito, mapapansin nyo sa baba, may isang pula na indicator, meaning one device is not charging. So you have to look at the exact position. So mapapansin nyo ngayon, nakatatlong green lights na yan, meaning all three devices are charging. So kailangan mo lang hanapin yung tamang position para mag-charge lahat. Ganito ang itsura niya kung i-utilize mo yung 6 na charging ports. Lahat yan sabay-sabay. The first device is charging from Marshall. The second device is the Tissue Life Ultra 1. The third device is also charging, flashlight from Nightcore, and the 3 main devices. Napaka-versatile nitong charging station na to dahil bihira kung makakita ng 6 na devices kaya niyang i-charge sabay-sabay. So tingnan natin paano ito i-pack kung ikaw ay babiyahe. Very convenient. Mayroon siyang built-in Type-C cable. Tupi lang ng ganyan. Very convenient. Na itatago rin itong cable Type-C kaya hindi sagabal. In this side, we have one USB-C and one USB-A. Dito sa kabilang side, walang nakalagay. Ganon din dito, walang nakalagay. Sa pinakaharap, we have the Bavin logo and the 3 main indicators for the 3 main devices. Sa likod na rin nakikita yung pinaka-input niya, Type-C, kaya fast charging na yan. And it assures you that it can charge all your devices. Ganyan ang itsura ng charging station sa aking desk. Very sleek, very minimalist, napakaganda sa paningin at very functional. Ang kagandahan sa ganitong setup, hindi mo makakalimutan i-charge yung mga essentials mo, lalo na yung pinakagamit na gamit like the iPhone, the AirPods, and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Galing ka ng work, pag upo mo, ilapag mo lang yung mga essentials mo, then do your thing. Sinubukan ko rin yung ganitong setup. Nilagyan ko ng kapartner sa workstation na power bank from Anker. May kasama ng built-in USB-C cable. So yan ang magiging source of power ng setup natin. Ang kagandahan sa ganyang setup, on the go siya, especially kung magka-camping ka, may power bank ka lang, may sariling USB-C cable din si Bavin. So marami-rami ka nang matcha-charge. Napakagandang setup, very efficient para sa isang maayos na workstation. So anong verdict natin? Essentially good buy itong charging station nito. Una, mura, hindi siya kamahalan. Pangalawa, it can charge 6 devices ng sabay-sabay. At pangatlo, napakadaling isama nito, very portable, snug and fit, very flat. At ang Bavin ay isa na rin sa mga established names sa tech industry, kaya alam natin na hindi basta-basta ang kanyang mga produkto. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito and I hope to see you in the next one. Paki-check na rin yung iba nating tech-related videos.